What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today we're actually going to be showing you how you can actually find international CPA offers. So it doesn't matter what country you're from. You could be living in India, Afghanistan, Africa, Canada, Austria. I'm going to show you specifically how you can actually find CPA offers for your exact country. But first, what I need you guys to do is smash that like button and let me know that this is the type of content that you guys like and enjoy and want more of. So for those of you that are new to CPA marketing, what CPA stands for is cost per action, cost per action. And what I love about CPA marketing is you actually don't have to get anybody to purchase a product or a service in order to generate revenue with this type of marketing. All you're doing is simply trying to get somebody to take an action. So that action could be submitting their email address, filling out a survey, filling out an application, or even taking a trial offer to a product or a service. But they don't actually have to pay for anything. And for getting those individuals to take an action, you actually can make a lot of money doing this. There's millions and millions of dollars that are generated with CPA marketing. I actually did a video a couple weeks ago where I actually made $1.25 per email submit just by getting people to opt in to a single squeeze page. Now, if you didn't see that video, make sure you check it out in the description below. I'll leave it there so you can check it out and see how it's generating $1.25 per email. Also, a lot of people are a little weary of trying CPA marketing because they think that they're not going to get approved for certain CPA markets. Now, I've actually done a video where I put together the top 12 CPA marketing networks for beginners. So these are going to be networks that are going to have instant approval or very easy approval. So I'll also leave that video in the description below, but make sure you check that out because you want to be able to use these different networks so that you can get instantly approved so you can actually start promoting these offers. Now, what we're going to be talking about specifically in this video is how you can actually find CPA offers in the particular country that you're in. So again, I'm going to be showing you and walking you through step by step. Doesn't matter what country you're from, I'm going to show you how do you find offers for your country and the type offers that you actually want to start promoting and advertising. I'm going to show you all of that here in this video. So it's going to jump right into it. All right, guys, so it's going to jump right into this video. And the website that I'm on right now is called offervault.com. offervault.com, and what offervault is basically like a conglomerate of CPA offers and networks all in one big website. What's cool about this website is it allows you to filter through certain offers as well as countries. So if I go up here to the top, you can leave networks alone, but I can go to categories and you can see that there's different offers. So there's beauty and bedding and billing and BizOp, clothing, coupons, there's tons of different offers. So CPL stands for cost per lead. So if I was going to look for offers that I just had to generate a lead for that particular company, that's what I would click on. So I've selected cost per lead and it's already filtered the different cost per lead offers. Now, if I want to drill down even more and find cost per lead offers in India, I would just click on country here and you can see that there's tons of different countries that you can actually select from. And I'm going to actually go down to India and I'm going to choose India. So now I have cost per leads for the country India specifically. And now I can actually take a look at some of these offers and see if there's something that I really want to promote. So you can see here this one here that says mewareedu.com. It looks like there's some sort of educational offer and you'll get paid $1.36 per lead. So what I would recommend that you do is just kind of click in and get some more details about this offer. You can see here, I can check out the landing page. So this is the page that you would actually be promoting. It says work integrated learning program. So there's probably some sort of educational thing that they're trying to get you to enroll into. So what I want to do now is I want to check out to see what this offer entails. So conversion flow. So this will actually tell you how you're going to get paid. So it converts on a first page submit. So we saw here, this is the landing page that you would be promoting. And it says it's converting on the first page submit. And then it says user fills out 4 fields from the landing page. Lead is counted and credited. So all you have to do is get the people. You're driving the traffic to that landing page here, and all they have to do is fill out the 4 fields, which is basically first name, email address, mobile number, and I guess they have to select their course that they would like to, are interested in, and then hit submit, and then you would get credited the $1.36. Now, tracking is in real time. They do have a cookie for 30 days, so that's a good thing. So if someone clicks on your link and within 30 days comes back, you will still get the credit for it. This is what they call promotion methods. So this will tell you what's allowed and what's not allowed in terms of how you can actually promote that actual page. So you can see here, text links are allowed, banners are allowed, emails are allowed, custom emails are allowed. So you can actually email offers. So if you're in the education niche, or you've been building a list in education, or even college students in India, you could actually just send an email and get people to opt in, and you would get $1.36 per submit. You can also do native ads, and you can see what you can't do. So pop-up traffic, they're saying no to that. No social media, no Facebook ads. So you got to pay attention to what they don't want you to do, and then you can actually do what they want you to do. So SMS, so that's like mobile advertising. So once you determine that this is an offer that you want to run with, you actually know how you can promote it and what things you can't do to promote it. You know how you would actually get paid by getting someone to complete the 4 fields. And it's just that first page submit. You're going to get $1.36. You like the landing page. You have a method that you're going to market this page on. Then you would just go ahead and click on run offer. And then that would just take you to the CPA network that's hosting that particular offer. And then you would just fill out all your criteria, right? So you would just fill out all this information, and that will sign you into the actual affiliate network. And then you can get your specific affiliate ID, which you would be using that particular link for tracking. And then once people go to that website that we just showed you and they fill in their information, then you would be making your $1.36, right? So that's basically the gist of it, guys. Again, they have a ton of different offers here, so you can sift and sort through all of this stuff. So I mean, they have all types of offers: crypto, dating, debt, diet, education. They even have some email submits here. So that's just getting someone to submit their email. Facebook, financial, free trials. These usually pay really good money. Health, home services, insurance, any of this stuff, man, you can get paid a lot of money to start promoting those offers. And again, you have all the countries selected here. A lot of times they'll tell you that this offer is promoted in, 249 different countries, 249 countries. So there's a lot of offers out there, a lot of opportunity for you to go ahead and start picking an offer and promoting it. Now, make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because in my next CPA video, I'm going to show you guys some different methods to go ahead and start promoting your actual CPA offer. So I'm going to show you a number of methods on how you can actually start taking that actual link and then promoting it in various different ways, depending on how that CPA offer will allow you to do. You can actually pick one of those ways that I'm going to be showing you, and then go in and start promoting your CPA offer to make money. So make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.